Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your contact suggestion from Snap. If you are tired of seeing people you might not want to connect with, or if you simply want to clean up your suggestion list, this one is for you. First, of course, open your Snapchat account and make sure you are already logged in your account. Now, scroll down until you reach the Who Can section. This is where Snapchat lets you control who can see your stuff and who can send you messages. But what we are really looking for is contact cynics. Now tap onto the contact cynics. This option controls whether or not Snapchat can cynic your contact and suggest people based on them. If you want to stop Snapchat from suggesting contact from your phone contact list, simply toggle off Cynic's contact option. This will prevent Snapchat from pulling up suggestion based on your phone contact. If you want to clear all contact data that's really been cynic to Snapchat, you can tap Clear Contact Data. This will remove any previous cynic contact information from Snapchat database. Simply tap on to delete contact data and confirm it to make sure you want to remove all your contact data. And that's it. Now Snapchat won't show you random contact suggestion based on your phone contacts or mutual friend. You have got more control on your privacy and what suggestion to you. Simple, right? I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.